Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to download and install GitHub Desktop on Windows 11 machine. So first I will open the Google search bar and I will type download GitHub Desktop, and then I will go to this particular link in order to download GitHub Desktop, and then I will click download for Windows. Since I'm using the Windows machine 64-bit architecture, so it will start the download process. So let me just wait for a while. So the download process has been completed. So now I'm going to open this GitHub Desktop exe file, and let me just wait. Now afterwards I will click sign in to github.com. So I'm going to provide my username and the password, and then I will click login, and then I will click continue. After that, I will open the GitHub Desktop. I will click this option and I will open the GitHub Desktop. And email, so I'm going to select my email, this one. And the name, the username, I will select as this, South Qureshi 45. And I will click finish. So these are the repositories that are there in my GitHub account. So I'm going to pick one. So let me just pick a customer, and let me just clone this repository. Click clone and clone, and the cloning process has been going on, and just wait for a while. So it has been completed. So I hope you have gone through the process of installing GitHub Desktop on Windows 11 machine. At the end, I would request you to please subscribe, like, and share. Thank you.